Welcome to our complete guide on how to create a Fanbasis checkout page. Let's dive into what Fanbasis is and how it can help you connect with your fans. A well-designed checkout page is vital for converting visitors into paying customers. It's the final step in the buying journey, and it needs to be smooth and efficient. Let's start by setting up your Fanbasis account. Head over to the Fanbasis website and click Sign Up to begin the process. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the Fanbasis dashboard. Here you'll find all the tools you need to manage your page. Next, let's customize your checkout page design. Choose colors and fonts that reflect your brand and engage your fans effectively. Now it's time to add products. Insert images, descriptions, and set your pricing structure to ensure clarity for your customers. Next, configure your payment gateways. Popular options include PayPal and Stripe, which ensure secure transactions for your fans. Don't forget to set up your shipping and tax options. Make sure to comply with regulations while meeting customer expectations. Before launching, thoroughly test your checkout page. This will help identify any glitches and improve user experience. Congratulations! You're ready to launch your checkout page. Encourage fan engagement through promotions and keep your community alive.